So in this channel, often I talk about generative AI in terms of text, so ChatGPT, Bing, Google Bard, etc. But there's a whole nother world of tools out there as far as text-to-image generation. Tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, etc. And the beauty of these tools is that you can take a concept in human language and put it into the system with some artistic style, say photorealistic or cartoon or noir or whatever it is, and get the output in just a few seconds. But one of the limitations of these platforms has been text. At the moment, if you were to use one of these platforms with text, you'd quickly find that it outputs something akin to lorem ipsum text, sort of gibberish language. So you might be able to identify a stop sign, but it's going to have the shape of a stop sign and be red, but have gibberish in the middle. From a digital production perspective, this is a huge pain because then that file has to be exported, imported into, say, a Photoshop, layered in Photoshop, and then the typography added. So enter Ideogram. This platform is absolutely amazing. That's Ideogram.ai. It's free at the moment. I'm certainly not affiliated with it anyway. It allows the injection of text into art just from the prompt. So simply by quoting a given piece of text, you can inject it into whatever art you're working with. So take this example right here, the walking chess. And the prompt says, let's create some art called the, quote, walking chess based on The Walking Dead. So it knows what the Walking Dead artistic style is. And so it's created that cool looking zombie with chest coming out of his head. And honestly, that's really cool. But it's also taken another step, and it's interpreted typography in terms of the actual text in the document. And that's astonishing. It's astonishing that they pulled it off. And it basically allows you to bypass that graphic design layer that would force you to use a talented graphic designer to develop a typography that fit the art, that fit the colors, fit everything else. And there are dozens of examples on Ideogram of this, and I highly recommend that at the very least you check it out. Bargain basement price of free for the moment. Clearly it has some copyright and trademark issues at the moment. Wild west of IP controls in generative AI for sure. So I suspect that it'll mature and it'll change a little bit, but at the moment, this is the most useful image to product tool that I've run into yet.